In this video, I will show you how to create and submit tour plans. Once the configurations have been done by the admin, that is, the tour areas and route plans, the employees can successfully create and submit tour plans from their panel for approval. Go to the tour plan, click on this Create a New Plan. You can select any specific month by clicking on this search button. I want to make a tour plan for September 2024, so I will select it. So now click on this to create a new tour plan. You can see the calendar for the whole month has been displayed over your screen. Click on this drop-down button. You can select predefined routes from here, or you can select areas and destinations manually. Suppose I want to select a predefined route for September 1st. Select the route from the drop-down. For September 2nd, I want to select everything manually. My tour plan will be from Area 1 to Area 3, and stops can be added in between. Add a comment for the day by clicking on this comment button. Similarly, make a plan for the whole month, as explained. After the plan is ready for submission to your admin and you are ready to submit for the approval, click on Submit. If you want to save the tour plan, which is to be edited further by you, click on Save and click on the Submit button to submit the tour plan, so you can see your tour plan has been submitted. After the tour plan is submitted, the admin has to approve the plan from his panel, then only it will be reflected in the employee panel's schedule section. So once the admin approves the tour plan, you can access it from the schedule section of the employee panel. Go to Schedules. You can see the schedule for the specific date, the leads and the clients on your tour plan. You can see the map view as well as the list view of the clients and lead details as per your requirements. To see the map view of clients, click on the orange map button. If the clients and leads are mapped to a location, then you can see them directly from here. Click on the pink location button to see the client and lead details on the specific area. You can add check-ins directly from here. Go back, the recent check-ins are accessible from here as well. You can add check-ins from this page as well. It will redirect you to the check-ins form. Click on the green plus button to add new clients to the area. The client form will open once you click on Add. Access the leads from here and add check-ins for them. Search for any leads by clicking the Search button. You can access your tour plan for the other dates from the Calendar button. You can see the clients and leads on that area for your search date. This is how you can manage and access the tour plan